Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale SuperSix EVO Carbon Disc 105-2020 model year. A road bike that represents the best possible blend of aerodynamics and low weight. Feather light, bullet quick. This bike equipped with an all-new frame and reliable fork all new. And Shimano 105 GS high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano 105 Hydro Disc. Cannondale SuperSix EVO Carbon Disc 105 equipped with good tires Vittoria Zaffiro Pro Slick. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.